value chain and the canvas matrix of the Tulip and Sas clothing workshop, I can consider the following. The customer segment is very important as it will allow you to create and communicate targeted marketing messages that will resonate with specific groups of customers. Likewise, it is good to have an adequate relationship with customers as the key is good communication. I agree that it is possible to eliminate contact barriers through the use of social networks and a website. On the other hand, I recognize that it is important to take into account a network of associates since it can allow the exchange of knowledge and infrastructure to avoid situations that put the operations of the garment workshop at risk. Thank you for your time.
Good night, my name is Catherine Lopez. Argument the same. The company, when using the establishing process, generates a more effective flow. The company should have a person in charge of reviewing costs, expenses, and other statistical data. I agree the distribution channels which is from the manufacturer to the end user. Thank you.
Good night. My name is Kevin Flores. I think it's good for the company to use method for resource optimization to improve space and standards, process, and activities, as it will improve the performance of clothing activities. I propose that the financial resource obtained from the use of materials that are no longer useful be made available for the parts of machinery or the improvement of facilities. That we should invest in research into materials and technology that improve the quality and comfort of the pens. Thank you.
Good night. Hello, my name is Laura Corredor. For me, the follow of income is important since it allows us to identify the monetary contribution made the VH group and to know which one is more profitable and which ones are not. On the other hand, key recursos are also important since it allows us to identify the assets that the company has. The economic costs allow us to determine the possible strategy that must be applied and provide heat rate protection. Thank you.